Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your tax information on Airbnb. Simply click the three lines on the upper right hand side and you want to go to your account settings. Now on the left hand side, click on taxes, and here you'll have the option to add your tax information. Simply click on add, choose whichever country that you're in. Let's say you're in the US, Mexico, Colombia, or India, or even in other regions. You can go ahead and choose the option. So let's say if I'm on the US, I'm going to go ahead and click on United States, click on next, and it will go ahead and ask you to fill out all the details. So here you can choose the form. You have the form of W9, or also you can fill out forms such as the W8EC1 or even the W8BEN. These are for individuals. So you can choose whichever one, guys, and once you're ready, just simply choose the form that you want and click on next and go ahead and proceed with filling out the form. That's all that you have to do, guys. Just simply go ahead and proceed and you'll be able to fill out your tax information on Airbnb. That's it. Very easy and very simple. Keep in mind, if you're not in the US, for example, and you choose, for example, add tax, let's say you're in another country, you may not be required to fill in tax information. So if I choose another country or region and I click continue, this will probably say that it's not necessary to fill in tax information. See, no tax information is not needed. So it depends on the country and region that you are. You will be definitely be required to fill in tax information or not. So depending on the country or region that you're in, you may be required to fill in the tax information or not. And that's it, guys.